Hi and welcome. Today we're going to be, I won't be doing a regular video today. We're not working on a project. Today I want to talk about what we're going to be doing next is a giveaway. Now we're almost to 425 subscribers. And I want to thank everyone who subscribed and supported me. And to do that, I want to do a giveaway. So when I hit 425 subscribers, I can't guarantee when that'll be. There will be another video, and that will be the official video. That will be where you'll get all the instructions on how to enter, and that'll be the video you'll leave your comments on. That will be how I pick a winner. The comments of that video, I will run the YouTube comment picker, and we'll pick a winner. So, the prize is going to be, we'll be giving away one prize, but I'm going to give you a choice of 3 different projects that I made. There'll be this one, which was the 400-page notebook. There'll be this one, which was a Blue Flag junk journal. And there'll be this one, which is a Cozy Winter Days junk journal. Now below this video, I'm going to put a link. I've made a playlist of 3 videos that are a flip through of each of these items. So you can go look through that and see if you win, or if you want to win one of these, you can see the insides of everything, I did in these books. So check out those videos. And please, you have to be subscribed in order to win. That's the purpose of this video, to thank my subscribers. So please subscribe and make sure you hit the bell. Because if you don't hit the bell, you're not going to get the notification when that video is up. When we're going to start the contest, the giveaway, sorry, not a contest. So please subscribe and hit the bell. And hopefully in a couple of weeks, I'll be sending you a notification that the video will be up, and that's where you'll leave your comments to enter. And I'll give you all information on entering the giveaway. Okay, so that's it for now. Make sure you check out those videos below. There's one link. It's a playlist of 3 videos showing you everything inside all these books, how I made them. So it's just one video for each one of these. Not the whole series on making it. It's just the flip through. Okay, so thank you for coming, and I hope you subscribe, and good luck. I hope you win. Thank you.